With the popularity of the environmental protection concept and the wide use of new energy products, solar charging systems are gradually becoming the new favorite of the city, which has brought green and vitality to the city. In this era of innovation, Top Unif invents a new solar power system, ParaSolar. Our design concept is to combine sustainable energy with modern design, making it not only a practical tool for shade and rain, but also a display of green energy, using the power of sunlight to provide you with eco-friendly energy. ParaSolar is making use of modular components and will offer easy installation. The solar panels can be adjusted from multiple angles to ensure the best power generation of different regions. The skeleton can be folded for easy storage and occupying less area. The base is equipped with wheels, can be moved to anywhere, which is flexible and practical. The solar panels of ParaSolar are encapsulated in a weather-resistant material with high strength and lightweight glass, which is resistant to salt spray and water vapor. And the use of high-efficiency bifacial monocrystalline cells can improve the power generation of 10% to 20%. At the same time, it is also equipped with intelligent microinverter and energy storage system, which can check the power generation situation in real time through the app. ParaSolar is made of high-quality materials to create a durable product. It adopts aluminum alloy integrated molding structure and imported materials electrostatic spring powder on the metal surface to ensure that it will not fade or powder when used for a long time. ParaSolar provides multiple charging sockets to solve the outdoor charging problem of mobile phone, laptop, electric scooter, and other power terminals. In addition, ParaSolar provides RGB lights to add more fun to your evening activities. It can be intelligently remote controlled and timing switched through app. At night, it will be a romantic leisure space under the ParaSolar, perfect for outdoor parties and activities. ParaSolar is good for a variety of outdoor scenarios, whether in the private courtyards, cafes, parks, and other places to relax or work. It can provide you with a cool shade and constant power supply. ParaSolar is not only a practical outdoor equipment, but also a fashion and environmental protection choice. Let's embrace it and choose green life. Let every shade be a contribution to the earth and protect our beautiful home together.